Hello everyone, my name is Lalit Singh. In this video, we're gonna see how we can leverage launch.json in a VS Code editor to run fast API application, right? So let's take a look into the what we have in our VS Code editor. So I have a root directory which name is fast underscore API underscore app, right? Under that I have created Python environment, Python virtual environment, which name is .env. Then we have .vs code directory. We can talk about later. Then we have app directory. Under that we have main.py, which we're having the basically fast API application. Then we have requirement.txt, which having the packages, which is basically essential to run fast API application, right? So let's basically this is the command which basically we prefer to run fast application in local environments. So let's run it, right? Take a look into the browser. Yeah, it's working as of now. We are getting blank string because in the code, if you are not getting the value for this particular environment, in this case we are returning blank string, right? So let's break the controls. Let's create a launch.json to run this application. So now to create launch.json, there's a one way, like there are many way, but as of now, we're gonna use Control Shift P to create a launch.json, right? So as of now, you can see this configuration, but if you are doing for the first time, you're gonna see some different setting. I basically modified. So basically in this file we have this one JSON object, right? Under that, the version is the one key, the configuration is the second key, which having the list of object, which each object basically represent a configuration, right? So first is the name, basically the type is a Python, the request is a launch. Basically it's a basically the type is a basically what application we are trying to run, right? The launch is a type of launch, as of now we wanted to run this application, not debugging. In the case you can put some different values, and the module that I wanted to use is a UVCon, and these are the argument that basically we are passing. Even you can take a look. So this is that was the basically command that we basically are passing to run this application. This is the same command. Then I'm also adding an environment variable. Here my key is a main and the value is local. And here I'm setting the full Python path, right? So this is my environment. This is my root directory of the application, right? And then the current working directory. My main.py is under the app directory. So that's why I given the full directory, right? So let's save it and go to main.py. And the next thing, how we can use this launch.json. So on the right top, you can see the play button, right? Click, you will see this launch.json option. Then if you remember, we given the Python colon dev is the name, right? Okay, let's take a look into the browser. Yeah, great. So it's working. Now this we are running this application, from this configuration, right? So in the realistic project, we have like a multiple environment, QA, prod, staging. What could be more, right? More than one, definitely. So let's say like if you have to case a debug your application in a local environment with a different environment setting, it could be QA or prod, right? So how we can create multiple environment? Then you have to simply copy and paste, right? Instead of dev, let's give it a name is prod, right? And changing the value, this environment variable prod, right? Right. So the first environment is a dev, second is prod, dev having the local value in the environment, and this having the for the production having the different value, right? So save it. Let's close it. Stop the current running, and again go back to the display button, click into the launch.json. Now we can see two settings, right? So let's first try with again with the dev, so that we can see things are working fine, right? Yeah, we can see local, so it's mean we are running through the local. Again, let's stop the execution, go back to the play button. This time let's select this fraud. Okay, refresh. Now we can see. Oh, sorry for the typo. It's a PROD. Okay, so great. So this is the way like how we can create multiple environment, or like we can configure multiple environment in a local environment. So basically help us out to speed up our development. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this.